Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, they find this, I know Crosses TV get this.
Through Instagram argument, I call them name to police. I call them no say me I deal my paperwork. Because me been do my thing, me been pass my test, but through the bag I lock up when me get Shana for how long. The man I walk a dig down where name deposition from the 4 borough in a New York. Crosses TV, check out my page, Crosses TV, them dead. Run go call police. I feel like calling the cops today and tell them I know where somebody sell drugs. I feel like calling the cops, kid. Yeah. Run go call police one day, yeah. Call up my name in the police because you try to stop me. You couldn't stop me. You, no ugly man, no ugly blood clot girl. You couldn't stop me. Grassy, I say Shana, them try for me say Shana, I say the boy call, when time the woman call me and tell me say the boy call police and me make man threaten him. I say what? I mean not make nobody call him on the phone, but true say them want get me in a trouble, Shana. Crosses TV, them want catch me in a trouble. Yes, Shana, them call and tell lie for me. Them call police and tell police and me make man threaten them. Yeah, try to get me in a trouble, but look at God. Look at God, Crosses TV. No one call police about me, call the police. No! I know where drugs and weed there. I know where coke and weed is at. I know where it's at. You run go call police for there, yeah. Red diamond and dirty blood clot every time. I cut to the half. God bless me. God show me some enough for the road. Now move. Sunday, me dey for my life. Me see my come for my life. I press for my life far. I could have sooner the live and press for it. You mad? Crazy? No, sir, Crosses TV. Crosses TV. Shana. I say Shana. I say, my mother. My mother said, don't say no. But you see, when you don't do what you do, I want you shut up all of them bitches the way that yeah, the big ugly bubble head one and be able father from Bronx. They put on Facebook at talk about her. She not up here by a blood clot $1,700 my liar blood clot charge me. Yeah. $750 for my blood clot citizenship and I have to pay the man for do the paperwork. Yeah. I'm going to walk and look for deposition. Come and live in New York, I can't walk and look for you. Yeah. First go, my rather mash up the blood clot test. Crosses. Blessing shot. Mr. Shana, big up yourself. Shana, I say, outside, I'm going to Jamaica. But them here, all the big, the dirty Bigfoot woman when I fast seat and drop out her mouth at tabo. Don't bring a son for a trip. Who soon stop me in America? Can you give me so much lock up? When you trouble me so much time, I have a beat and stab on up and call police for me. I'm a couldn't go away. Yeah, mother tell me say for the Jamaican thing and fix what me and fix. Crosses TV, you have a stay out trouble for 5 years. Sometime I reach 3.5, radam lock up, 4 radam. So I run me come a Jersey, I'm stay out of people. We are summer bingo crosses. Yeah. Bingo. Stop them blood clot, mother. More blessings coming. More blessing coming. When you say my blood clot, me vex with people about money. Oh! I'm do what I want to do. You're crazy. Anything I want to do, it gets done. Blood clot, come tell line now. Hold on there, me I come. Mama, me just see it pop up, me I come. Hold on. No, why I have a Britney up here, so I like Britney. So come back, guys. Crisis TV.